Assalamu alaikum, how are you guys? I'm Aminur from NewTech, and this video is going to be the persons who are planning to do stream and planning to buy Elgato Stream Deck. But maybe you don't have that much money to buy Elgato Stream Deck or Elgato Stream Deck XL. So guess what? You already have a Stream Deck on your phone. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use your phone as a Elgato Stream Deck and use it while you're streaming for switching screen, muting your microphone, and for replay buffer, and pretty much everything that you are able to do with Elgato Stream Deck. So before we get started, I really suggest you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I posted these types of awesome new videos. And if you have done that, thank you so much, and let's get to the computer. So firstly, you need to have your phone. So in this case, I'm gonna use my iPhone 7 Plus, but it works with iPhone 6 and maybe older version. I have tried on my iPhone 6 and that works really fine. So first of all, you need to go to App Store and then search for Streamlab. Yes. And this one, as you can see, this Stream Deck. Yeah, you need to have this application installed on your phone. So once you have that, let's open that up, and then it will ask you for login. If you are streaming on Facebook, you just need to log in with that Facebook account, or if you are streaming on Twitch, you just need to log in on that Twitch account. So once you're logged in, you just need to open Streamlab OBS on your PC. As you can see here, yeah, here's our Streamlab OBS, and now you just need to go on the settings, and then as you can see here, remote control. You just need to click that remote control, and as you can see, don't show this code on stream. Click to reveal. So it's actually blurred, but when you clicked it, the real QR code actually showed up. So let's, as you can see on your phone, it says relink because I have already linked on. So that is why it's showing me relink. Okay, so I click relink. As you can see, now the camera is turned on my phone, and through this camera I need to scan that QR code. So let's go, and yeah, it's pretty fast. So before you do this, you just need to make sure your PC and your phone is connected with the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, it will not work. So as you can see, the beautiful Streamlab, everything is shows here. It's very responsive, to be honest. As you can see here, it's on recording screen, but if I go to streaming soon, see how fast that is. So in this way, you can also set replay buffer. If you want to know how to set the replay buffer, please comment down below. I will make another tutorial on that. And as you can see, you can hide something, show something. It's really fast, man. It's really fast. And you can just enable studio mode and exit from the studio mode, and you can start recording through here. You can start recording, go live, save replay buffer. So it's really amazing. I think it's really amazing because when your stream is going on and you kept your phone like this and you are doing all here, it really feels like you are using Stream Deck. It's really professional. It's really fast, and it's highly suggested actually. And you can do many more things. You can mute your phone, you can mute your webcam, you can volume. If you tap and hold, as you can see, the volume adjuster is here as well. And if you go to it's all blank, but when I start playing, it shows everything. So If I want to play background music, I can play here. If I press here, the background music will automatically turn on. As you can see, the background music, the level is showing over here. And this is sound. This is the adjuster. So just see how am I adjusting this thing through my mobile. Okay. So where is the background music? You just need to press and hold this as written here, background music. If I hold here, as you can see, I'm increasing this. As you can see, I'm increase bit. If I want to decrease it a little bit, it decreased all the way down. It goes all the way down. Increase all the way up, it goes all the way up. Man, it's amazing. So in this way you can give your stream more professional look. And yeah, if you like this video, give this video thumbs up, or if not, dislike this video. And if you want to know anything more related stream, or you want some more helpful tips and trick about related to stream, just comment down below. And if you want to see my stream where I go live pretty much every single day on Facebook, which is facebook.com/nuts.team, and page name is nuts. I'll give that page link in my video description. Please go and support my Facebook live stream page. And yeah, till next time, assalamu alaikum, stay home, stay safe, goodbye.